Hi guys. Dialpad and Google Voice are two of the most popular business phone systems today. But which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Dialpad and Google Voice, and we'll consider 4 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description. You can use it, and you can start with the free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you, and let's start with the pricing. Dialpad provides 3 main plans: Standard, Pro and Enterprise, along with a room's license fee. They accept all major credit cards and offer month-to-month billing. Each plan comes with some fantastic features, so let's take a closer look. The Standard plan costs $15 per user per month if billed yearly, $23 if billed monthly. It includes unlimited calling, SMS and MMS, AI-powered call and voicemail transcriptions, Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 integrations, unlimited video meetings, and web and chat support. The Pro plan costs $25 per user per month if billed yearly, $35 if billed monthly. It offers all the features of the Standard plan, plus local number support in 70+ countries, multiple phone numbers per account, 25 ring groups or departments, 10 office locations, global SMS capabilities, CRM integrations, Salesforce, Zendesk, HubSpot, Zoho and more, open APIs and webhooks, and 24/7 live agent support. For those who need even more advanced features, there's the Enterprise plan. It includes all the features of the Pro plan, plus 100% uptime, unlimited office locations, unlimited ring groups or departments, dial-by extension, integrations with leading SSO providers, Okta, OneLogin, Azure, AD-SSO integration, data retention policies, and priority live agent support. Contact Dialpad for customized pricing. Google Voice is a popular alternative to Dialpad Talk for managing calls and messages. While there is a free plan available for personal use, the business plans, Starter, Standard, and Premier require a monthly fee as they offer more advanced features. Let's take a closer look at the available options. Starter. This plan costs $10 per user per month and includes features such as call forwarding, unlimited text messaging within the US, and up to 10 domestic locations. It also allows a maximum of 10 users. Standard. The Standard plan builds on the Starter plan, providing an unlimited number of users and domestic locations, SIP link, multi-level auto-attendant, ring groups, desk phone and ATA support, e-discovery for calls, voicemails, and text messaging records, and ad hoc user call recording. All these features come at $20 per user per month. Premier. The Premier plan offers all the features of the Standard plan and more, including an unlimited number of international locations, advanced reporting through BigQuery, and automatic user call recording instead of ad hoc. The Premier plan costs $30 per user per month. Compared to Dialpad, Google Voice plans are less expensive. However, Dialpad offers more features and integrations in their plans. Moreover, Google Voice lacks some of the CRM integrations provided by Dialpad, so if your business doesn't require these features, Google Voice may be the more cost-effective option. And for customer support. If you encounter any problems with your business software, you want them resolved quickly. This is where customer support comes in, and it's important to choose a provider that can help you quickly and effectively. With Google Voice, support is limited to FAQs and forums, which may require sifting through lots of text to find a solution. Even then, there's no guarantee the problem will be resolved. On the other hand, Dialpad takes customer support to the next level. Their AI-powered technology ensures that you will receive quick and accurate solutions to your issues. And if you need further assistance, talking to a live representative is just a click or call away. And for the integrations. As you may know, both of these platforms are great options for voice and video calls, messaging, and voicemail features, but what sets them apart are their integrations with other business tools. Let's start with Dialpad. They offer seamless integrations with popular business tools like G Suite, Salesforce, and more. These integrations allow you to streamline your workflow by centralizing your communication and collaboration tools. With a G Suite integration, for example, you can make and receive calls, send messages, and access your voicemail directly from your Gmail inbox. This means you can spend less time switching between apps and more time getting work done. Now let's talk about Google Voice. While it may not have as many integrations as Dialpad, it still offers some valuable options. Google Voice integrates with other Google Workspace apps like Google Calendar and Google Contacts, making it easy to schedule calls and manage your contacts. You can even use Google Voice to make calls from your Google Assistant-enabled devices like your Google Home or your phone. So which platform has better integrations? Well, it really depends on your specific needs. If you're already using G Suite or Salesforce, then Dialpad's integrations may be more beneficial. On the other hand, if you're already using Google Workspace apps, then Google Voice's integrations may be a better fit. And for the ease of use. When it comes to managing user accounts and settings, Dialpad has a user-friendly, web-based admin console that allows you to manage everything in one place. With Dialpad, you can easily add and remove users, assign phone numbers, and set up call routing rules. The admin console is straightforward and easy to navigate, which makes managing your team's phone system a breeze. On the other hand, Google's Voice's admin controls are more limited and require using the Google Workspace admin console. While this may work for some users, it may be more complicated for others who aren't as familiar with the Workspace admin console. It can be time-consuming to navigate through the console to find the settings you need, which can be frustrating for users who want a more streamlined experience. So choosing between Dialpad versus Google Voice depends on your business and your needs. Both tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. If you're still not sure which to pick, here's my recommendation. Google Voice is an effective communication tool that is suitable for individuals or small businesses with minimal communication needs. However, for companies that require a more robust, unified communications as a service solution, comprehensive customer support, and advanced integrations, Dialpad is a superior option. While Google Voice offers basic features such as voicemail, call forwarding, and free domestic calls, it lacks advanced functionality that may be necessary for large organizations. So in conclusion, while Google Voice may be a suitable communication tool for individuals or small businesses with basic communication needs, Dialpad offers a more comprehensive solution that caters to the communication requirements of large organizations. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot, thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.